beauties, welcome back to our channel. So I have a new launch with me and I'm really excited. As you can tell from the wrapping paper, it is Huda Beauty, but it is new on my channel. I know there's been some issues with her, but I definitely wanted to form my own opinions. I wanted to try her makeup line, but these are brand new. They just came out. They did have like a diamond spear, if you know what I'm talking about, and then they had like the little lipsticks, one in each little slot, and it was labeled. Those sold out within like an hour, so I ended up getting individual lipsticks, but I feel like I did get them all. They did retail for $19 each, so they were pretty steep, but I think I got like a 20% off or something for signing up, which was still pretty steep. But I have it all here. I have never tried one of her lipsticks, so this will be new to me. I like the little baggie that it comes in. I think that's really nice. It's nice and bubble wrapped and protected. And then I also did get a sample of the Wishful Gentle, Clean, and Effective. Alright, so I have the Lace Party Subject Stress. I have Dirty Thoughts. I have Censored. And then I have Femme Fatale. And then I have Nalagini. Hopefully I said that correct too. But they are supposed to be sparkly lip balms. See if we get anything else. Glitter sprayed lip balm, soothing feeling, lightweight formula, sheer and luminous coverage. Sparkly lip balm. Net weight is 2.8 grams or 0.09 ounces. So let's just pull these all out of their unicorn. Okay, so they do say their original names. I have a total of 6 of them. I really like the packaging. I love the kind of sheer and clear pastels kind of iridescence that they have going on. I definitely really like that. They do feel quite light in weight. The bottom feels more heavier. Here is what it looks like. Oh, look at how it just sparkles on camera. This one is Dirty Thoughts. Let's give it a swatch. So it's coming off very clear, definitely not purple, but it has a lot of sparkle to it. So I'm wondering if it's a spray over or if it would stay as more you use it. This one is Femme Fatale, and she's so pretty. Oh, this one's got a little bit more purple tinge to it. So that's really pretty. I really like that one. They do have a magnetic closure. Look. Small details. They do feel smaller and skinnier than I thought they were going to be. I don't know. I thought they'd be quite bigger. I've never tried a product or a lip product from this brand before, so maybe that's just how they are. But they do feel a lot skinnier than I thought. This one that I just swatched is Lace Party. It's got kind of like a purple pink sheer tint to it. Alright, and then we have Nalagini. Hopefully I said that correctly again. Here's what that one looks like. Ooh, they just sparkle really nice. Okay, so that one's more, it's right here that I swatched it, and it's very sheer. Seductress. Ooh, this one's like a pinky, orangey, peachy shade. And let me see how this swatches. Show you right here in the back of my hand. It's got kind of like a gold peach, like very subtle tint to it. So like they said, it is very sheer. And then this one is Censored. It's got like a very like subtle purple kind of vibe to it. I want to try one of these on the lips. So it is very sheer. You can see a little bit of the purple tint to it on my lips, but it is very sheer. They do say it is sheer. It is a lip balm, but it is a very expensive lip balm. It's $19. Okay, so I just went to check on our website because I wanted to see what these were all about, get some more information to share with you. It looks like they are infused with some mango butter, which is supposed to leave your lips supple and kind of pillow-like feeling, and really hydrate your lips as well, which pretty much all lip balms will do. I don't know if they all have mango butter in them, but I'm definitely want to play with these more and definitely see like if there's really that much of a difference from your, you know, average lip balm. They're definitely cute and really fun to look at. I really like the sparkles. I'm wondering if they will stay or if they'll fade or what's the deal with that, but I'm definitely excited to have these and play with these. So yeah, let me know what you thought down below. Did you think that these were worth it? $19 for being a lip balm. I mean, there are companies that sell lip gloss for $18. Okay, so my final thoughts, as you can see, the first one that we did swatch, it went on very sheer, but you can see a little bit of purple tinge to it. I do see a little bit of metallicness on my lips, but I think $19 for a lip balm is a little high up there in price. I would like to see a little bit more pigmentation with them, but they are a natural lip balm, or a sheer lip balm is how the website says. I think they're really, really pretty. Do I think that they're worth $19? I would not, doing this review and watching this, go and purchase them again. If you're looking for something other than something just to hydrate your lips and looks really pretty, then this is right up your alley. If you're looking for something to add color and pigmentation and be a full lipstick, this would not be something that you would be interested in. So those are my final thoughts. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Let me know if you like these types of videos, and remember to stay beautiful and stay sexy.